Welcome back to your bass lesson. Today I'm back with another worship bass line. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you don't miss any part, and I'll make sure you understand it and how you can apply it to any progression. Okay, if you're also new to this YouTube channel, you are welcome. Just kindly hit the subscribe button, click the bell, and also like the video. Okay, so let's begin with the breakdown. So the song was played on key G sharp, okay, or let's say A flat major, do re mi fa sol la ti do. Okay, so the song says da 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 da. Okay, so let's look at the first part. So the progression are 1 4 6 5. Okay, da na da na 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 na. Okay, so your 2, your 6, and your 2, and your 5 do, and that is your 1. Okay, da 1 2 3 4 6 2 5 5 5 do. Okay, so let me break down the bass line. So only your do, your fa, only to your la is your name. Okay, so la re so. Okay, so do fa la re so. Okay, it's like you're playing do fa re so, but now he added the la and re so. Holy, your re and your la, you play your re again. Holy is, so your so, your name do. Okay, you were daily. Okay, so do re mi fa. So now to your re so do. Okay, so now let's check out the fills and the passing notes, which will make your bass line more cool. Okay, so holy, now you're coming to your fa. Holy. Okay, so do fa to your fa. Okay, do fa. Okay, now to your la re so. Now to your re mi la re. Okay, so put this in mind. When you're coming to your fa, you can play so do fa, and your re mi la re. This is how your passing notes you need to know. Okay, da 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 da. It's your so, fa so, do. Okay, you. So here he played mi, re, mi, fa. Okay, you are the living God. Okay, so now he played a mi, so the passing note to that is this is what I played, fa do mi. Okay, so you. Okay, you. Okay, these fields in the worship bass line. So you are the living God to your re. Okay, so fa do mi re mi fa re mi re do mi re. Okay, re mi re do mi re mi fa so. Then you're ending the song. So do. Okay, so now to the second part, when maybe you want to restart the song, or you want to, your singer is to sing the song again. So do mi so la re so holy holy. Okay, so mi so la re so holy. Okay, so mi so la re so do mi so la re so do. So now you have to play your fa. So the bassist did a short fills over here. Do ti la so fa. Okay. Holy holy. You see? Do ti la so fa. Okay. So la your name. So here he didn't play the so, he played the T. Your name holy. Okay, so maybe so here re la re. So on the la he played this cool fills re la, then he came back to the re again. Okay, so la di mi la re re so do. Okay, holy holy is your name, holy is your name. Okay, so now to your me. You are the normal bass line. Mi fa so do. Okay, so now you want to play that. You are the living God. Okay, so I did this. So do. Okay, it will take you direct to your me, then you can continue your groove. Okay, so do da 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 da. Okay, do so mi la so re do fa mi. Okay, so you are to your re. So this is one cool fills you should know. So fa mi re do la so fa mi re mi fa so la re so do. Okay, if you want to apply that fa mi re stuff, you don't need to play your fa on your root. So re mi, you slide to your do fa mi re. Okay, mi do fa mi re do la so fa mi re mi fa re so. Then you can end the song. So re so do. Okay, so I'll see you guys later in the next video. Bye for now.